All right, Neisha the PA, we are live.
Hi guys, it's Neisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and today we are working on my very gorgeous client, treating her acne scars and texture irregularities. Now remember, when we're doing this combination treatment that we're going to do on her today, it's super important that you take care of your skin prior and you prep appropriately, which we did in this case with a cosmelan chemical peel. It already made her skin look better, but now we're going to do additional combination treatment on top to really give her the best results. First, what we're going to do is this Hybrid Fractional laser, and this right here is a very amazing laser because it's working at 2 different wavelengths to really improve her acne scarring and her texture. Now, what you're going to see as I do this laser are these little white dots. That is the more superficial part of the laser. That part of the laser, she's going to see the results right away over the next few days. The second part of the laser, which is a little bit of an erbium component, is the deeper part, and that's causing the slight redness to her skin. That's the part of the laser where she's going to see the results over the next few months, and her skin will just continuously improve and become better over time. Now, you guys know us here at Dr. Emer's office. We love to do combination treatments. We love to combine different techniques depending on what type of scarring you have in order to give you the best results. In her particular case, I'm going to do this combination, just as I mentioned, of this laser, but also on top of it, on her more troubling spots, we're going to do a little bit deeper erbium laser to her cheeks. Now remember, this is a combination treatment of this hybrid fractional laser and then a deep erbium laser, and that combination of results will really give her the best treatment. So that's why you see this little area outlined in the purple marker. That's the area that we're going to treat slightly deeper with our deep erbium laser. But full face, we're going to use this hybrid fractional laser. Now, what you're going to hear, I'm going to take this off. All of these here, it's all dead skin cells. As I'm treating her skin, the dead skin cells are being sucked up. And we're going to go ahead and wipe this off. We have to make sure to keep it clean because when it gets a little clogged, the sound of the laser goes down and it's not working as well. Now listen to how it sounds now. There we go, nice and strong. Now remember, depending on what type of scarring you have, whether it's acne scar, texture irregularity, we really are going to customize that treatment plan for you. Not all acne scars are the same, not all texture is the same. In her particular case, we're doing a combination treatment of this hybrid fractional laser, the erbium laser. But for some acne scars, sometimes you need a little bit of Bellophil and subcision. Sometimes you need a little bit of PCA cross. And that's where we're going to help you come up with the best treatment plan for you. Now, after doing an aggressive laser combination like this, it's going to take her anywhere between around 5 days to really heal from this laser. And the reason why it's so short is because we're doing our amazing skincare in order to expedite her healing process. Remember that combination skincare is going to involve things like PRP, which is a concentration of growth factors that help you heal quicker, and then also A-cell, which we could like to combine with the PRP. If you really want to expedite your healing process, I love to combine that with exosomes, and those are just stem cells that are going to really heal your skin a lot quicker than without doing it. Once again, the sound of my laser is starting to go down just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is clean off all those dead skin cells. And now my laser is going to fire optimally. Now some of my clients like to ask Neisha the PA, what do I expect during treatment? This is what you're going to expect. She's going to be comfortable. This is an aggressive treatment.
Neisha's going to talk to you the whole time.
We make sure that you nerve blocks on you to make you super comfortable in treatment. So that way you can really relax as much as possible. You're still going to feel a little bit of the spiciness of the laser. I can't control that, guys. We're going to feel a tiny bit of the spiciness. But remember, this is the best treatment in order to improve acne scars, texture irregularities, and then you can combine this.
Someone wants to know if they got RF microneedling and subcision this year, can they get another laser? Yes, you guys can.
Absolutely. Remember, when it comes to texture, when it comes to scars, when it comes to tightening, you guys, you need more than one treatment. Ideally, you want to be at a place like ours where we're not afraid to go a little bit more aggressive to give you the results you want. But even then, what I always recommend is that you can continue to do treatment over the course of the year, depending on which lasers you do. You can have an interval of between like 4 to 6 weeks.
Neisha, someone wants to know what is the best treatment for melasma. We can send you peels at home. We can send you skincare.
Absolutely.
You can do a skincare consult with Neisha the PA.
That's right.
And she has laser treatments in the office as well.
Absolutely.
So
We
to
also
get a
have
hold of
things
us,
in the office like Moxie, BBL. We're going to wipe this off again. Perfect. Now, I want to show you guys how important this look. I've treated at this point one half of her face, her right cheek, her right forehead. So for those of my clients or future clients that want to know, what am I to expect after treatment and compared to my normal? So she's a slightly more red, a slightly more swollen, and this is how she's gonna look full face. But we're gonna have her heal better because we're gonna do all of the skincare, the PRP, the A cells, Dr. Emer's hydration mask on top, and you can also do oxygen facials right after your laser treatment and the next day to really get you where you want to be. So you can do a little treatment before the holidays, before the New Year's. That's the biggest thing. We got to go into the year 2023. Oh my gosh, 2023. Looking our best self. We're going to turn to the right. Perfect. And then we're going to do this side of her face. So same thing on this side. You guys can see as I treat. Little white dots. Superficial part of the laser. And then you're going to see her skin return a little bit red as I'm treating her. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my client, and then we're going to move on to the second part of her treatment plan.
Or deep erbium.
Deep erbium laser. I'm super excited to take care of her. This is something that she's always wanted to do, and I'm always happy and blessed to be a part of that process. So give us a few minutes and we'll be back, guys. Bye.